Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a database in Bluehost. I'm now inside my Bluehost account, and to create a database, simply go to Hosting, then scroll down a little bit and click on this cPanel button. Before I continue this tutorial, I want just to let you know that you can access my online university for free today. Inside this online university, there are many online courses, including this one about Bluehost. Inside this Bluehost online course, for example, you will learn how to set up your website on Bluehost, how to manage your email account, domain name, optimize your website performance, and also other things like billing and account management. To get all of this for free today, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Let's go back to our tutorial. Now that we're inside cPanel, just scroll down to Databases and hit this MySQL Databases. Give your database a name, for example, Ben's blog. Hit Create Database. Now click on Go Back. This is my newly created database, and as you can see, it lacks a privileged user right now. To create a user and link it to this database, simply scroll down more and under Add New User, create a user and give it a password. As you can see, my password is very strong. Now click on this Create User button. Now that my user is created successfully, let's go back again to link this newly created database with this new user. To do that, scroll down to Add User to Database, select your database from this list, then the user from this list, and hit Add. Give your user all the privileges you want and hit Make Changes. Click on Go Back. And now my newly created database have the correct user link to it. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave your comment below. Thank you.